Hello everyone, welcome to Nija Education. This is your class 7th maths. Lesson number 3, decimals. Today we will see division of decimal numbers. My dear children, if you have seen previous parts of this video, in that we discussed about addition and subtraction of decimals and multiplication of decimals. And today we are going to discuss division of decimal numbers. Now we all are knowing how to divide whole numbers, right? So let's start with the same. Here I am going to take two whole numbers. Suppose I want to divide 525 by 5. So in this we can call as dividend, and this is our divisor. But here we are talking about division of decimals. So instead of this whole number, decimals numbers are given. Yes. So there are three possibilities about this. First one is, if our divisor will be given in the form of 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Second possibility is, it is given in the form of whole number. And third possibility is, if it is given in the form of decimal number. This dividend will be given in the form of decimal always, but for divisor there are three possibilities. Now let's see each of these possibilities turn by turn and let's understand how to divide decimals. Let's see first one, when divisor is 10, 100, 1000. Let's see how to divide. When we divide a decimal number by 10 or high power of 10, shift the decimal point one place, two places or three places respectively to the left. That means we need to shift the decimal point to the left according to given divisor in our questions. Now let's see how to do this. Suppose I am taking 2.67 divided by 10. As you can see here, divisor is in the form of 10. We need to shift the decimal point to the left. But how many places? So that is according to given 0 in your divisor. For example, there is only 1 0 in your divisor. That means you need to shift the decimal point only one place to the left. It is here, we need to shift to one place. That means it will be here. So our answer will be 0.267. Let's take another example. As you can see over here, there are two zeros in our divisor. That means we need to shift two places to the left in our given dividend. That means our given dividend is 269.7. Shift two decimal places to the left of the number, right? That means here 2.697. Let's take one more example. Suppose we need to divide by 1000. As you can see here, three zeros are there in our divisor. That means we need to shift three places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Our answer will be 2.67432. So this is very easy. Whenever you have given to divide any decimal number by 10 or high power of 10, you need to shift the decimal places to the left according to given zeros in your divisor. If it is 1 0, that means you need to shift one place. If it is given 2 zeros, that means you need to shift two places. If 3 zeros, then 3 places and so on to the left. Don't forget, we need to shift to the left. Now let's see another examples. Now let's see how to divide decimal if divisor is whole number. Let's understand this by one simple example. I am writing 5.25 divided by 5. As you can see, here we want to divide decimal number by whole number. That means our divisor is whole number. So in this all the cases, first step we need to follow is we need to ignore the decimal point in given dividend. This is our dividend. Ignore the decimal point. If I am writing after ignoring the decimal point in this, it will become as 525 divided by 5. Now we all are knowing how to do the division of this. Let's do 525 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 2, 0, again 5. 5 5s are 25. So our answer is 105 for this. Now, in the answer, that means whatever quotient we get by dividing this, we need to put decimal point in this answer. Now, on which basis we are going to put the decimal point? We need to see our decimal number, that means our dividend. Whatever decimal places are there in our dividend, same we need to count and we need to place in our answer. Let's count 1 and 2. There are total 2 decimal places are there in our dividend. That means in our quotient, in our answer also we are going to put decimal point after 2 digit from the right. 1, 2 here. So our answer is 1.05. So it is very easy. Whenever you are going to divide any decimal by a whole number, first we need to ignore the decimal point. Then the decimal number will convert into whole number, as you can see over here. Then there is simple division. As we are dividing whole number, perform the division, get your answer, and you need to place the decimal point same as in the given dividend by counting. Then you will get your complete answer. So this way you can divide decimal number by whole. That means when divisor is given in the form of whole number. Now let's see how to divide decimal number by decimal number. That means when the divisor is decimal number. My dear children, so far we have seen when the divisor is in the form of 10, 100, 1000. Then second we have seen when the divisor is whole number, and now it is turn for when the divisor is decimal number. Now let's understand this. As you can see here, I have taken one example, 20.37 by 0.7, and here it is our divisor which is in the form of decimal number. So what we need to do? First we need to convert these decimals into fraction. Convert given decimals into fractions, and that already you have studied in your previous classes how to write fraction from decimals. This 20.37 we can write as 2037 upon 100 divided by 7 upon 10. Now this is the division of fraction, and division of fraction we already studied in our second chapter, which is fractions. My dear students, if you are not knowing how to divide fractions, so that is already I have published, I have already taught in second chapter. So you please go through that video, then you will have clear idea about this. If we want to divide two decimals, we are converting it in the form of multiplication by writing reciprocal of our division. Reciprocal will be 10 upon 7. Now let's rewrite this term. This terms can also be written as 2037 divided by 7 and multiply by 10 upon 100. This 7 I took over here and this 100 is here. Now we all are knowing how to do the division of 2037 by 7. Let's do it on the side. 2037 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 6. 7 9s are 63. 7, 7 ones are 7. So our answer is 291. So we can write 291 on the places of this. Multiply by 10 upon 100. This 0 will be cut. What left? 1 upon 100. That means 291 upon 10. And this is division by 10, 100 and 1000. We need to put our decimal point after one places over here. So it will become 29.1. So our answer for this is 29.1. So this way you can divide decimal number by decimal. That means if divisor is given in the form of decimal number. Let's recap quickly how to do this. First we need to convert both the decimal number into fractional number. Then we will get division of fraction, that we all are knowing. Do the division of fraction and you will get your answer. So this is all for today. I hope you all have understand how to divide decimal numbers. Till my next video, keep learning with Nija Education.